this content so far. Hopefully you're enjoying it. All right, guys, what you guys are about to see is some of these are the fastest trucks in Thailand right now. Right behind me. These are the fastest trucks, about 1,500 horsepower, nitrous. Some of them have compound turbos on them. These are going to be the fastest trucks. You're not going to want to click away from this video. So stay tuned. Here, we're going racing. Think about this content so far. Hopefully you're enjoying it. These are the fastest cars in Thailand, right here. And you're witnessing it. What do you guys think about that? 7.2, very minimum prep, and he was all over the track. These guys know how to drive, that is for sure. They're not afraid to lift. That's proven fact. All right, so that is the round of combines. Next up is the drag.
Always do it on my own, so I gotta get through.
All right, so we got the fastest two dragsters here in Thailand, and we're gonna put on a show for you. The video is gonna be short, but these are the fastest dragsters in Thailand. There's no other dragster faster than these ones, guaranteed that.
Keep my head up, staying strong. Always moving on. Feel I don't belong. Tell my best to move along. Push myself to be the best. Time with no regrets. Live with every breath. See my message start to spread. And I had so many dreams. Bring me at your jeans. Like I'm really what it seems. Try to find out what it means. Always do it on my own, so I gotta get through it. And the only thing I know is to live what I'm doing. Never give up, never slow till I finally prove it. Never listen to the noise. I just wanna keep moving. Yeah, I put out all the songs. It's my heart and medicine. Everything I do, I'm just being genuine. I'm sick of being screwed. Feel my own adrenaline. Yeah, I do just what I do. And I hope you let me in, yeah. My hands steady, I feel ready, but my hit it already, still working, I'm still learning, I'm still searching, finally earning something, finally turning something called a profit. If I hear you talking shit, don't get caught in it. I'll be popping off and hit your ass, dropping all your shit. Yeah, I promise this, I got promises, you ain't stopping this. Cross my shit, you'll be making conscious bitch. That's the consequence, I got this, I do not quit, and I'm on it.
ที่ก่อนเข้าสู่การแข่งขันนัดที่2นะครับ